I had a question from a Facebook friend today, and I wanted to answer on video because I think there's probably a lot of people out there that are trying to upload videos and they're not in HD. He wanted to know why his videos on Facebook weren't in HD. So, you're using video cameras and iPhones, and all these come in HD up to 4K if you want it. And if you want it in HD, you want people to see it in HD. I can remember being an HD snob, like he kind of said he was back 15 years ago when I got my first HD TV. I can remember plugging that thing in, standing in front of it, and just being in awe about how clear it was. And the only time I'm like that now is when I put on my daughter's glasses, because that's the only time I can see clear again. But it goes along with when you put it in HD and you load it up, you want people to see it in HD. And especially if you were the one that recorded it, you want to make sure it's in HD. So there's a few things on Facebook. There's a couple of settings that you might need that would help figure out whether they're loaded in HD or you're seeing them in HD. So I am first going to go to my iPhone, and you're not going to be able to see me click around on here, but on your phone, iPhone, Android, the app is pretty much the same. The three little lines down in the right bottom corner, the hamburger menu, you click on that. And you're going to go down and click Settings and Privacy, and then click on your settings. In there are a whole bunch of settings. You're going to go all the way down to Media and Contacts, and you're going to click on Videos and Photos. In here are two settings: your upload in HD for your video and your photo. If those are not turned on, turn those on, because usually by default they are not. These companies use tons of data, and they like showing things in HD, but they also like limiting people like us that don't know how to do this. So turn those on. That should make it available to you to be in HD. So if you're playing a video and it's not in HD, if you're on your phone, you can go to the little, let me just go right here, like this one. It doesn't show, there's nowhere, it's just playing the video. And if you turn the sound on, you can hear it. But if it's not in HD, if you click on the video one time,
I'm not.
And then go
at all.
Down here on the bottom, you can see the gear. Click on that gear, there's where you can choose. See, it's on automatic right now. It's only delivering me 640. They limit you when you aren't looking. So you click 1080 and then it'll show in 1080. So that's how you do it on the phone. On the desktop, it's kind of similar, but a little bit different. So when you're on your Facebook, up here on the top right this time is a little triangle. Click on that triangle. You're going to go down the bottom and click on Settings here. Now on the bottom left, you're going to go down to Videos. Click on Videos, and there's only one setting, and it's HD if available, the default video quality. So from there, if HD is available, Facebook will probably show it to you in HD. There's no option to choose whether you're uploading in HD. I think on desktop it's automatic if it's HD. They do compress it. Sometimes at the beginning it looks terrible, then it gets better. It's free, so what are you going to do? If you're watching a video, like I loaded this video up here, and as you notice, it already tells me it's in HD. If I click on it, it's only delivering 720 HD when it's actually available in 1080. So you might have to go in and actually choose it, enable the HD to show at full HD. Sometimes it's 4K, but 1080 is usually enough. 720 on a computer or a phone actually looks pretty darn good. But for this guy, you're a HD snob. I completely understand. So hopefully that helped. Hopefully you can figure out how to get better quality in your HD. If you want to learn more, we have lots of free courses on the Cherubini University. Go to cherubiniuniversity.com. We have some paid courses where we teach a lot of things like how to start and grow a new business. If that is of interest to you, go to that and check it out. If not, I answer questions like this all the time. I put them on video, and I'd like to answer some more. So if you have any questions, put your comments down below. Go to our video blog and subscribe so you get notified of all these all the time. So every video that we make, We're going to let you know about it so you can learn some stuff, hopefully get better video, hopefully grow your business, maybe even start a new one. So get that side hustle going. If you have any questions, just hit me below. I'm Pat Cherubini with the Cherubini Company and Cherubini University, and I hope you have a great night. Thanks.